嗨，您好，Welcome to Learn Chinese with David. Look this naughty monkey. Look this monkey. Look this monkey. And look this oracle style monkey. 猴子 I love monkey because in the second year in middle school, the whole year I learned just one sentence in English. I told my friends, "You are a monkey." That's what I learned in the whole year. 猴子 radical is dog part. This is the span. 小猴子猴反犬旁 Walking animals have the curved, long backspan. Look like a dog stand up. 反犬旁 I'll use my sentence and vocabulary builder to expand the explanation in details. 猴子 In my children's song series, there's a 小猴子吱吱叫，小猴子吱吱叫，肚子饿了不能跳。The stomach hungry cannot jump. 肚子饿了不能跳。给香蕉还不要 Give the banana still don't want. 你说好笑不好笑？你说好笑不好笑？ But in some deep the phrase 杀鸡吓猴 So bad luck of the chicken. To kill the chicken to scare the monkey because monkey is more clever. 猿猴 the apes and the monkeys 猿猴杀鸡害猴 Just not 杀鸡吓猴 Another form called 杀鸡害猴 害 also scared 杀鸡敬猴杀鸡敬猴猴年马月不知道要等到猴年马月 Because in Chinese the zodiac sign the 12 animals 猴年马月 maybe 60 years just once so don't know how long will you wait so 猴年马月不知道要等到什么猴年马月尖嘴猴腮尖 sharp mouth 腮 like the apes the chin so 尖嘴猴腮 something look the face look not so ugly looking very sharp but ugly looking like a monkey 木猴衣冠就是穿衣服的猴子 A monkey in human's clothes Some bad guy you can call them 这个人是木猴衣冠 But this term is very deep 木猴衣冠衣 clothes 冠 means hat Here's a 30% off coupon. You can apply this coupon code in edu.biz/shop. Even the course is under promotion, you will get 30% off extra. Take it. If you need the one-to-one Skype lesson, our teachers are waiting for you. All course design are using the same method you are looking now. Use a PowerPoint to design in very detail, give the best English translation possible. And all course cover from very beginning to very high end. Our course design is FY1 to FY6. FY1 FY6 stands for the Foreigner Year 1. It's a course for foreigners to learn Chinese. And K1 to K3, kindergarten, Year 1 to Year 3 for the children from 3 years old to 6 years old. And our course also designed for the examinations for the foreigner, like the HSK, from level 1 to level 6. HSK stands for 汉语水平考试, means Chinese Proficiency Test. It's a test done by Chinese government, especially for the foreigner to sit for Chinese exam to test your level of Chinese. And we also have many courses for the GCSE, IGCSE, AS, O level, A level, now they call A1 or A2, the British exam. And also international Chinese exam like IB. IB stand level, SL, and IB HL, the high level. And also the American course, SAT and AP Chinese. See you.